Welcome back to our science online sessions. As we know that we had started our sixth chapter. The name of the chapter is Combustion and Flame. In our previous video, we had seen that what is the combustion. Combustion means क्या होता है? Combustion, that means the one type of burning. What is the flame? What is the relationship between combustion and fuels? How many types of fuels are there? And which things are necessary to produce the fire. And next we have seen some examples of that. Now today in this session we are going to start first topic. The first topic is inflammable substances. Inflammable, the meaning is we can find from a word also, that is inflammable substances. What is inflammable substances? In our previous video we had learned that two types of material, two types of substances: combustible material, non-combustible material. Like here we are going to study inflammable substances. Which materials can be categorized in inflammable substances? Let's see it's defined. The material which are having a low ignition temperature. The material, the substances which are having a low ignition temperature. Remember that what is ignition temperature? Ignition, I am again telling you, ignition temperature means the substances at which temperature they are producing fire. This is the low temperature, that is known as the ignition temperature. Now, what is inflammable substances? The substances which are having a low ignition temperature and that catch fire very easily. The substances which catch fire very easily, these substances are known as inflammable substances. One more time. The substances which are having a low ignition temperature and that material which can generate easily fire, these are known as inflammable substances. You have one question in mind: what is the lower temperature? Generally, the lower temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, less than 100 degrees Celsius. So, can you give examples of inflammable substances जिसमें से flame create होती है? Like petrol, alcohol, LPG, diesel, kerosene, synthetic fibers. Also, when you are burning this material, it creates a flame and it catches fire very easily. So these are known as inflammable substances. Now move towards the next topic. The next topic is how do we control the fire? How do we control the fire? Fire को control कैसे करेंगे? Simple answer is there. Any little child also can, we can call the fire brigade. We can call the fire brigade. Now, have you remembered the number of fire brigade? First of all, you should know the number of fire brigade. Then and then only you can call them. The number is 101. If you can call 101, fire brigade will come to your place where fire is arise. Now, what the fire brigade will come? What the purpose of fire brigade will do? क्या करेंगे वो लोग? उसकी process क्या होती है? Main reason क्या होता है? So the workers, what they are doing, they are spreading water in wherever the fire is arising. जहाँ पे आग लगी होगी, जब तो वो क्या करेंगे वर्कर्स? फटाफट से वो water spread कर देंगे. Why water spreading? Let's see. Water. What is the role of water in it? Water क्या करेगा? The water will take the below ignition temperature of any substances. What is our rule first? जब low ignition temperature कोई भी substance को मिलता है, then they create a fire. But what is the role of here water? Water will try to put the substances below its ignition temperature. So उसको ignition temperature से कम लेके जाएगा, then it will धीरे-धीरे fire को extinguish हो जाएगी, धीरे-धीरे आग बुझ जाएगी. And next thing is water vapor. What is the role of water vapor? Water vapor, what water vapor will do? Water vapor will cutting off the supply of air from the atmosphere. Water vapor will cutting off the supply of air from the atmosphere. So these are the main two rulers in a works. Water and water vapor. This is very simple. You all should know this thing. What is the fire brigade's duty? How they will help to us when fire is there. So this point is clear. How do we control the fire? जनरली हमारे घर में आग लगती है तो हम क्या करते हैं? अगर थोड़ी सी आग लगती है तो हम रेती पे डाल देते हैं. We are pouring sand on it and sometimes we are pouring water on it. Simple thing is that. Now let's move to the next topic. The next topic is 3 essential requirements for producing fire. Which 3 things are there? They are help to producing the fire. First is fuel. First is fuel. I told you before also. Many types of fuel are the combustible material. Many types of fuels are combustible material. Second is air. Air. What is the role of air? To supply the oxygen. To supply the oxygen. In your book 1 activities also that we will perform this activity also. To combust any material, to producing fire, to produce the flame, oxygen or air is necessary. So what is the role of air? To supply the oxygen for the substances. Next is heat. What is the role of heat? To raise the temperature of fuel below its ignition temperature. To raise the temperature of fuel. Whatever fuel temperature is there, to raise the temperature, उसको high करने का below the ignition temperature. So these 3 things are there. They are essential requirements for producing fire. One more time: fuel, air, and heat. Now these 3 points are covered in here only. First is inflammable substances. Second is how we control the fire, and the third is 3 essential requirements for producing fire. That is fuel, air, and heat. Students, let's start our next topic, that is types of combustion. Previously we had seen that what is combustion, combustible material, non-combustible material. Now I am going to explain you types of combustion. Generally there are 4 types of combustion: slow combustion, rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, and the explosive combustion. Generally there are 4 types of combustion: rapid combustion, slow combustion, spontaneous combustion, and the explosive combustion. Now what is slow combustion? Let's see one by one 4 types of combustion. First is the slow combustion. What is slow combustion? That means the substance which burns at a slow or a moderate speed. This combustion is known as a slow combustion. The materials which burns at a low or a moderate speed, that is known as a slow combustion. Example of slow combustion is kerosene, oil, and cow dung cake. Kerosene, oil, and cow dung cake. Next is the rapid combustion. What is rapid combustion? Rapidly means very fast. The substance which rapidly to produce the heat and energy, these are known as rapid combustion. One more time. The substance that creates a rapidly heat and energy, these are known as rapid combustion. Examples of rapid combustion, that is LPG and CNG. LPG we are using in our routine life, in our kitchens, while CNG that we are using in our vehicles. LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas, and CNG, that is compressed natural gas. Third point is there, that is spontaneous combustion. What is spontaneous combustion? It's very easy. It suddenly bursts into the flames without any application of any apparent. It suddenly bursts into the flames without the application of any apparent. These are known as spontaneous combustion. Example is that forest fire. Forest fire में क्या था? That I told you before also कि when the yellow leaves get that low efficient temperature in a summer season, then it generates a fire. So, forest fire is example of spontaneous combustion. Fourth is here written explosive combustion. What is explosive combustion? The substance which burns in a very short period of time. The substance which burns in a very short period of time. This combustion is known as a explosive combustion. Means जल्दी से वो blast हो जाता है. Example is very easy. Firecrackers. One more time. Four types of combustion is there: slow combustion, rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, and explosive combustion. Slow combustion burns at a slow or moderate speed. Rapid combustion that burns in a rapidly to produce the heat and energy. Third is spontaneous combustion that suddenly burns into a flames without any application of apparent. And the fourth is explosive, that means an explosion that burns in a very short period of time. So, I hope this type of combustion, this point is you understood very well. Students, what we have learned in today's session, first we have learned that how do we control the fire, inflammable substances, and the types of combustion. So I hope you understood these three topics very well. I am requesting you all to watch this video more and more time to clear this concept. Regarding this concept, you have any doubt or query is there, we will solve in our online sessions. Till then,